What's up, music producers? In today's video, we're going deep on VST plugins, what they are, why they're so useful, and how to start using them in your own productions. VST stands for Virtual Studio Technology, and VST plugins are pieces of software that integrate with your Digital Audio Workstation or DAW. They allow you to add professional studio effects and virtual instruments to your tracks with just a few clicks. There are a few main types of VST plugins. Instrument plugins let you create synthesizer, piano, guitar sounds, basically any virtual instrument. Effects plugins give you things like reverb, delay, distortion, etc. MIDI plugins allow you to control instruments with MIDI data. And mastering plugins help process your final mix. So why use VSTs? Well, they give you limitless creative potential right on your computer. You can craft unique sounds quickly without needing to buy expensive hardware. VSTs work across platforms, so you can use them in any major DAW. And many come with built-in visualizations so you can see how effects will impact your sound. Using them is easy, just browse your DAWs plugin folders and add them to a track. Make sure the plugin is compatible, and adjust the settings to get the sound you want. Reading manuals helps you master all the features. VSTs can modulate and synthesize audio in really powerful ways. You get features like envelopes, filters, sequencers, samplers and more to sculpt custom sounds. So they're essential for all sorts of audio processing and sound design applications. Now, a few compatibility tips. VSTs are designed for Windows, but also work on Mac and Linux with the right software. Audio units or DAWs are the Mac-specific version. And VSTi plugins are for virtual instruments. Always check compatibility before buying new plugins. When scanning through the vast sea of VST plugins, be sure to read reviews and watch tutorial videos to evaluate quality and ease of use. Sorting by most popular or highest rated is a quick way to surface the best options. Free plugins are a great starting point before investing in paid versions. Explore free synths, effects, and instruments to learn how you like to use VSTs. Finally, should you go with free or paid VSTs? Well, free plugins can be just as high quality and are great for beginners. But paid versions give you more comprehensive features and support when you need to level up. Alright, that wraps up this full overview explaining what VST plugins are, why they're so useful for producers, and how you can start using them yourself. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions. See you on the next one.